Well, hello there, everybody. It's been a long day thus far, and I still have not yet introduced the vlog. We worked out, we crushed triceps and chest. I went for a run, I just got back from that. Been working on emails, clients, podcasts, all of that. Wow, that got dark. All of that wonderful stuff. Let's see what the crew is up to. All right, take two. Here we are. What's going on up in here? Making some bricks. Oh, by the way, y'all, so we have these bands around the bricks. Let's talk about that for a minute. So we have the bands around the bricks, which just looks really freaking cool. However, I'm thinking about not putting the bands around the bricks on future production runs, simply because it creates another opportunity. Mind your way, Dylan? Need something? Need something to do here. Do something, man. Do something.
I'm flexing behind you.
Anyways, it creates an opportunity for us to, like, right now we have boxes that are full of banded bricks, which are the ones with the band, and we have boxes full of unbanded bricks, which are the ones without a band. And when we do a launch, it's like a constant juggling of, okay, which ones do we have banded, which ones do we have unbanded, how many of what, how can we structure that, because every order gets a band. So I think what we're gonna do now is just not band the bricks and then put a band in each order. That way it's easier organization on our part and less likely to mess up and not give you a band or give you like 25 bands, because you don't want that many bands. Maybe you want that many bands, but I would think you wouldn't. And that's kind of what we're thinking there. So, and if you love the way they look with the band, then just take the band out of your box and put it on your brick before you eat it. And that's awesome. All right, y'all, so we're at my uncle's warehouse. We have 4 pallets of ingredients. We got the MCT powder, we got the cacao butter, and we got 2 pallets of protein. So we are getting stocked up as we speak. I love it. Progress in the making. What is going on, everybody? We just got back from the post office, just got back grabbing all those ingredients, unloaded all those ingredients. Love it. Got a package from one and only Goody Beats. I was gonna say something like something Goody would say, but I don't know what he says. He says, what does he say? What's happening, everybody? If you're live and well, you are winning. Something like that. I'm not gonna do it justice, but love you, Goody. Anyways, so it looks like we got a shirt. So we're rocking here. We got Keto Gains with the Goody Beats emblem up top. And then, what's this say? Premium grass-fed since 2013 Goody Beats muscle quality. I like that. I'll totally rock that, man. It's red and everything. Beautiful. I love it. Now, we got this too, which I don't know what this is. Let me, wait, I think I can feel what it is. It feels like a coffee cup. So, let's see if my predictions are accurate. What do you think? Does it look like a coffee cup to y'all? Looks like a coffee cup to me. Check it out, check it out. Goody is one of the few guys I know that can make glasses look really good. Alright, so we got the coffee cup, focus, and then we got if you woke up this morning, you're winning. That's what it was. If you woke up this morning, you're winning. Alright, Goody, I'll be sipping my coffee out of here. He also gave us a nice little letter. Robert, I can't tell you how much you have motivated me over this past year. Seeing you and Crystal grow your company has inspired me to work that much harder. I look forward to seeing what you guys do in 2019. Keep changing lives and keep spreading positive vibes. Love, Goody. I love you, Goody. You have a good one, man. Appreciate this. Appreciate the shirt. Appreciate the coffee cup. Appreciate the letter. That means a lot, man. I got a lot of respect for you as well. And I have just a lot of time we spend together. Can't even talk right now. I'm out of breath. The time we spent together at the Metabolic Health Summit and in Austin was great, man. I got a world of respect for you. I love what you're doing. Keep killing it. And we'll be doing some collabs, y'all, so get ready. Goody and I are going to be doing some things together in the future. I have no idea what it is yet, but something will be in the works, rest assured. See y'all next time. Alright, y'all, so I'm doing the same thing. I'm cooking up venison like I did yesterday. I'm sprinkling some not sprinkling, but pouring some duck fat on it because venison is very lean and the duck fat is fat. It's also very tasty, so that's what we got going on in there. What do you have, Crystal?
I'll show you.
Chicken breasts?
I make a Greek salad and I'm doing 8 ounces of chicken on it.
That looks marvelous. Yeah. Alright, Crystal's gonna try the venison for the first time. Here you go, baby. Her
he
hands
can't
are full.
wait for me to finish cutting my chicken.
Her hands are full. I'm gonna feed you. Woo! What do you think?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. You like it? Two thumbs way up.
2 thumbs way up. It's like very juicy.
Yeah.
A lot juicier than I thought it was gonna be. Good.
What is going on, everybody? About to chill down with a glass of wine. Enjoy the evening. Fit Vine wine. But before I do, I just want to touch on one quick topic. It's been I don't know what the last clip was, but it's been a while since the last clip. Had an interview today. Brandon came in. We interviewed him for like 3 hours. He's going to be working alongside us tomorrow, shadowing to see how that goes. So super excited about that. We're getting some equipment in tomorrow, which I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but tomorrow I'm going to film that. It's going to be pretty good. I'm super excited for this equipment to come in. Speaking of equipment, we're also going to be getting some equipment for the Keto Brick stuff. I've alluded a little bit to what all we're going to get for the Keto Brick stuff, but rest assured and know that there are some big changes coming. I don't know when it will all roll out, probably within the next 60 days or so, but it's going to totally change the way things are done around here. Not really totally change the way, and the way we do things will still be very similar, but it's going to just really help streamline things. And I've talked about this a bit before on some of the vlogs, but there's been several crossroads in like our journey with Keto Brick where it's like, wow, this is a whole nother level. This is a big step we have to take. Should we just jump or should we be more conservative? And we've always gravitated towards just jumping. And now is no different. We're just gonna jump. I mean, this is a definite moment where it's like we can be more conservative and play it safe, or we can just be more ballsy and just go for it. And I'm just gonna go for it, y'all. Like, there's been so much good coming into our lives. There's been so much just greatness coming in from other people, from opportunities, from just everything that we're blessed with right now. And I just want to maximize on it. I want to just keep being the best that I can be as an employer to our crew, as a leader, as a businessman, as an influencer in the keto space. Like, whenever I'm faced with the option of play it safe and be conservative, or believe in myself and what I'm doing and just go for it, I'm going to go for this one. So I'm super excited to kind of roll out these changes. I want to just tell you everything that's coming in the pipeline, but I kind of want to let the suspense build a little bit because it's exciting. It's going to be good. So that said, I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to drink my glass of wine. I'm going to spend some time with Crystal, and I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a great day. Got some equipment coming in that I'm excited to show you. Stay tuned for that, and see you then. Good night.